Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Pretty in Pink Ladies Tea Party Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Dream with Caroline, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe as well. I am making some little chocolate cakes for my friends that are coming over for the tea party today. I love making individual cakes when my friends come over. I have the little chocolate cakes ready to take to the oven. The little Valentine tea party cakes just came out of the oven. They look delicious and they smell so good. I know my friends are gonna love these. I've invited 2 of my friends over for a very special Valentine ladies tea party. The first thing I did was put down this beautiful tablecloth. I love this tablecloth and the adorable little fringe it has all along the edges. For a little bit of fun and a little bit of sparkle, I added this beautiful sequins table runner. It's so sparkly and shiny. I'll get busy setting the table. I'm having my friend Lisa and my friend Sharon over today. They will love this table design. I put pink napkins in the center of the plate, and I'm gonna put a heart bowl right in the middle of each one. Lisa and Sharon and I all love to have our salads in bowls, so I purchased these heart bowls especially for when they come over to eat with me and we can have our salad in these very special bowls. I have a little centerpiece I'm gonna put right here on the table. Pink sparkly heart with 2 adorable cupcakes. These adorable little pink and white hearts were a gift from my friend Lisa. They're so beautiful and they match perfectly with our tablecloth. My friends love raspberry lemonade, so that's what I'm gonna be serving today because it's a beautiful shade of pink and it'll match so nicely with our tablescape today. For my tea party today, I've made some little chocolate cakes. There's one for each of us. They're like a big flat cupcake. I'm gonna put a stencil on and decorate these cupcakes with a checkered pattern. This will also coordinate and match nicely with our tablecloth. I know my friends will love these little chocolate cakes. These will serve as a centerpiece and dessert. I'm gonna go get busy putting the salad together. I have some little chicken roulades and green beans roasting in the oven. It smells so good in here. And then once we have our salad, it'll be time for our luncheon. I can't wait to visit with my friends and catch up. And I know they'll love these beautiful decorations. I'm so happy you're here. I had a wonderful time putting together this tea party for my friends. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.